I really want to thank Leader Hoffman. I don't see that he's on the floor right now, but there was a phone call that both Representative Cabello and I received a few weeks ago before the break, and Representative Hoffman called us after Trooper Jones' story and Trooper Ellis had passed away about working together to how we can better strengthen Scott's Law. And I give Jay a lot of credit, and I give both the House Democrats and both caucuses of the Senate a lot of credit for working on this bill in the way we should work on legislation, in a bipartisan, collaborative manner that does good things for the people of Illinois. I personally think this is one of the most important pieces of legislation that we're going to consider this spring. We've seen what has happened to our troopers on the side of the road. We just had a tow truck accident, a tow driver accident here in Sangamon County, just east of town. Luckily, no one was hurt in that. But we all drive a lot of miles in our jobs here in the state of Illinois. We see people that do not get over, that do not move over when they see people on the side of the road. We see people that don't pull over when emergency vehicles are on the side of the road. The idea behind this piece of legislation, what we're doing to Scott's Law, the Move Over Law, is to correlate it with our construction zone laws, to make it very simple for people to understand when they come upon a construction zone or when they come upon a Scott's Law situation, they're going to know that these are severe penalties that are in place. And I really appreciate the work on this. We have a second bill that will be coming up later on. We've still got one more amendment to add to it that will create, it will add a little bit to the pool of questions for the Secretary of State, but also create a task force that will work very quickly for more answers on Scott's Law as we move forward. So I just want to thank you, Marcus, for your work on this. Representative Cabello's been a big part of this, and Representative Hoffman as well. This is a good bill, and I would certainly urge an aye vote.